Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to update your Uber Eats app. First of all, make sure that your Uber Eats app is closed completely from your mobile phone, and then you need to go to your Google Play Store, or if you are using an iPhone, you can go to App Store. So once you will open the Play Store or App Store, then you need to go to search, and in the search bar type Uber Eats. And right here, you need to open Uber Eats app. So if you see this blue open button, that means you are using the most up-to-date version of the app. If you see an update button instead of open, that means you're using an old version and there is available update for your app. So you need to click the update button and your app will be updated automatically. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.